right, friends, we're going to do more adding with 2-digit numbers plus a 1-digit number. And so we want you to draw the numbers and then add them together. So if I have 22 plus 6, I'm going to draw those using base 10 blocks. So I'm going to do 22 plus 6 more. So if I draw that, it looks like this, and then I'm going to count it all up. So 22, 23. What do you think the answer is? It's 28. Nice job. On the next one, we have 31 plus 8. So please draw that with base 10 blocks. 31, and then we're going to add 8. Okay, so now count all of that together. 31. What'd you come up with? 39. Excellent. Good. Now I have 14 plus 2. What is that answer? 16. Very good. Next one. 43 plus 4. I'm going to go 10, 20, 30, 40. 3 plus 4. Now count all of that together. What's your answer? 47. Excellent. Okay. 60 plus 3. What would that answer be? 63. And 54 plus 1, we just go to the next number. What number is that? It's 55. Very good. Okay. If you turn it on the back, you have some subtraction problems. These are -3s. So go ahead and solve this side, and then do what your teacher would have you do next.